Doon ka na.
Hello, Doc.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Sorry, teacher was late.
Yes.
Because my internet is having some trouble because it's raining very hard tonight. Hi, Doc.
Hello, teacher.
Are you feeling okay now?
Yes.
You do not have cough?
Huh?
Cough. You know what's a cough? Oh, you know what's a cough? Like that.
Yes.
You still have cough?
I have
Oh, wait a minute, Doc. Wait for me. Okay. How are you, Doc? Is it raining tonight in Vietnam?
Yes.
Here in the Philippines too, it's raining very hard. Since yesterday, it's raining very hard. How about there?
Morning, lunch, afternoon, and evening.
It rained.
Things.
Okay. So are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold?
Yes.
Me too, I'm feeling cold. Because I have my fan. Oh, there is my fan. Can you see it? That's my electric fan. It's very small, but it's very cold. I feel cold. Okay, so let's begin our lesson for tonight. Duk duk.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Okay, so we're having an activity for tonight about reading. Okay, part 1. Look and read. Put a tick or a cross in the box. There's one example.
This is a cat. Oh.
What?
It's a dog.
That's correct.
This
Next
is
one.
a bus. This is a monster. Yeah.
Okay, oh wait. Why is it this is a bus wrong?
Huh?
Why is this is a bus wrong? What's that?
Monster.
No. This one. Wait. This one. This is a bus. Is it wrong, right? This is wrong. Because what's this? What's this?
This car.
Oh, that is a car. Okay, so question number 1. This is a monster.
Yes.
Okay, yes, correct. Number 2. This is a table.
No.
Because that is?
No.
You answer first. Then later on, we're going to discuss it. Number 2. This is a table. What's your answer?
No.
Because what's that?
This is chair.
Very good. That is a chair. Number 3. This is a Coke. A cake.
Yes.
Number 3. This is a cake.
No.
No, because that is?
Tomato.
Tomato. Very good. Number 4. This is a t-shirt, correct?
Yes.
Next one. This is a horse is correct
Yes.
also. Good job. Okay, so you got a perfect score of 5. Okay. Where's your smiley face?
Huh?
Okay. So next one, Duke, let's go to the part 2. All right, so part 2, 5 marks. Look and read, right? Yes or no. So example, the girl is playing on a computer. Yes. There are 5 animals. Answer is no. Okay, question number 1, Duke.
The
Look,
mouse
Duke.
on chair.
Oh, the mouse under the chair.
No.
Okay, no, very good. Number 2,
Yes.
you read it first. The dog.
Okay. The dog has got black eyes and ears.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yes. Number 3.
The cat sleeping on the floor.
Mm-hmm. The cat.
No.
Okay, no, because where's the cat sleeping?
Sofa.
A sofa. Next one, number 4.
The girl sitting between. No.
The girl is sitting between the sofa and the computer.
No.
Oh, answer is yes. Oh, this is the sofa. This is the computer. So the girl is between. Uh-huh. Okay, number 5, Duke.
Chocolate.
Yes, the girl is wearing trousers.
No.
Answer is no. Because what is she wearing?
The shirt.
Okay, she's wearing a dress.
Okay.
Not a short. Is that a short? Okay, next one, Duke, part 3, 5 marks. Look at the picture, look at the letters, and write the word. So example, lemon. So question number 1, Duke, what's that? So what do you think? Is that fruit?
Melon.
Ah, melon. There's only 4 letters. E-L-E-I-M-L. Oh, is that melon?
Mine.
Yes, very good. So the answer is a lime. Okay, number 2, Duke, what's this?
Mango.
Okay, mango. Number 3.
Orange.
Orange. Number 4.
Banana. Number 5.
Okay, banana. And number 5 is?
Coconut.
Coconut. Very good. Okay, always perfect. Okay, now let's have this part 4, 5 marks. Read this. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. There is one example. Okay, now Duke, read the story on the screen, please.
Night.
Oh, I told you to read. You don't want to read, Duke? Teacher will read it.
I live in a house with my mom and my dad. They like holding and watching me and sleeping at night. and then they do. During loss of milk, I sit and I kick my feet.
Mm-hmm.
I
Correct.
can walk. I can walk, but I can wave goodbye with my mm,
With
my
my
mm,
duck.
with my dog.
With my duck.
Yes, I
With
know.
my t-shirt.
Yeah,
Oh, what's your answer?
with my hand.
Yes, with my hand, of course. Next one.
My favorite toy is yellow dog. What I am baby.
Yes, very good. What am I? I'm a baby. Baby Duke. Okay, very good, Duke. 5 points. So I will give you 3 stars. Okay, next one, Duke. Let's go to part 5. It says here, look at the pictures and read the question. Write one word answer. So example, where are the children? Answer is at the school. How many children are there? Answer is 5. Okay. Now teacher will read so that you won't cough. Okay. Number 1. What color are the girls' dresses?
It's 3 girls.
What color are their dress?
Red, 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 red.
Okay, very good. It's color red. Next one, number 2. What are the girls playing with?
Football.
Okay, ball or football. How many boys are sitting down?
The beach.
What? How many
Bench.
boys? How many?
2.
Okay, very good. Now, what are the children doing now?
The children eat rice.
Yes, they are eating. Who is with the children? Drink water. You drink water.
I don't have what?
I will give you water. You want?
No.
Okay. Number 5. Who is with the children?
Mother.
Are you sure?
Yes.
The answer is correct. The mother. Very good. I thought you will say teacher. But it looks also like a teacher, right? Because I think they are in school. Because they are wearing red dress and these 2 boys are wearing blue. Okay, anyway. You still got 5 points. All right. So we're finished with the first part too. Okay, now let's have the next one. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let's have the part 2. Okay, now Doc, let's have speaking skills. Hello, I'm Teacher Biang. What's your name?
My name is Luke.
Okay, how old are you, Doc?
I am 7 years old.
What is your school's name?
trường tiểu học Ba Đình.
What? What did he say? Huh?
School Ba Đình.
Slowly, you tell the name of your school.
Ba Đình.
Bading.
Ba Đình.
Bading.
Trường tiểu học Ba Đình.
Bading. I cannot say it. It's very hard.
Trường
Chuang.
tiểu
Tiao.
học
How.
Ba
Ba.
Đình.
Ding.
Yes.
Oh, you say it. You say it fast now.
Trường tiểu học Ba Đình.
Chiao. How from Bading. That's very hard. I cannot say it. Okay, anyway, Duke, let's have the first part. Look at the picture, Duke, and describe it. Can you describe the picture? Where are they? What are they doing?
Yeah. Okay.
Where are they? What are they doing?
They play football.
Where are they?
And drink juice, orange juice.
So what place is that? Is that in the shopping mall?
Football?
No. What place is that? Is that in the shopping mall?
Yes.
Is that in the supermarket? Where's that?
No.
Where?
This is the house.
Yes, very good.
Back.
At the back of their house. Okay, so who do you think is the girl in the picture, Duke?
She drinks orange juice.
Yes, who is she? Who do you think is she?
She is the mother.
Okay, she is the mother. How about the two boys? Who do you think are they?
They are the boys.
Yeah, they're boys. Do you think they are brothers?
Yes.
Yes, I think they are brothers too. And they are playing at the back of their house or at the backyard. Okay, how's the weather, Duke? Is it sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy?
Windy and rainy.
No, in the picture, Duke, not in Vietnam. Is it sunny, rainy? What do you think is the weather in the picture?
Sunny.
Sunny. Okay, very good. Okay, now, Duke, let's have vocabulary words. So, can you read the words first, Duke?
Sun. House. Big chair. Yard.
Okay.
Watch.
Okay, so Duke, do you have a beach chair in your house?
No.
How about a yard? Do you have a yard in your house?
Yes.
Okay, so what can you do in your yard, Duke? What do you do there?
I play football. I ride the bike.
Okay. You play.
I run. I play basketball.
Oh, very good. Is your yard big, Duke? Is your yard big? Is your backyard big?
Yes.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so Duke, do you have a watch?
Yes, I do.
What color is your watch?
It's brown and yellow.
Wow, brown and yellow. Okay. So now, Duke, let's try answering this one. Look at this. This is a garden.
The dog is in the pond.
Okay, where's
The
the...
flowers is in the wall.
Oh, you answered very quickly. I will still ask you, but you answered it. Okay, again. Where is the duck, Duke?
It's pond.
It's in the pond. What is the duck doing?
The duck swim.
The duck swim. Okay. Now, where are the flowers, Duke?
This is in the wall. Next to the wall.
Okay, next to the wall. Very good. So how about in your yard, Duke? Do you have a pond in your yard?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you have a pond in your yard?
No.
Oh, I thought yes. Oh, yes or no?
No.
How about flowers?
Yes.
Wow. Do you have many flowers?
1,000.
1,000? Did you count everything?
I don't know. It's very. It's very.
It's very plenty. Very plenty.
Yes.
So who takes care of the flowers? Your mom?
My father.
Ah, okay. So your father loves to garden. Right? Oh, wait, Duke. I thought your dad is a soldier, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so where is your father? Is he there in your house?
Yeah.
Or because some soldiers, they go to other places.
Yeah.
How about your dad?
Down.
Oh, so he's just working in Vietnam.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now Duke, circle the locations. Okay, Duke, look at two cards. What are they? Okay, now Duke, put
the monster in the water.
Okay.
And the monster under the water.
Okay, put the monster in the water now.
Under the water.
Okay. Okay, now let's see. So the first monster is on the water and the next one is under the water. Very good. Next one, Duke. Which is the watch? Circle it. And circle the watch.
Put the watch.
Okay. And then put the watch on the table. Okay, very good. Next one. Put the pineapple between the two boys. Okay, very good. Let's see. Toot. Toot. Okay, very good, Duke. You are correct. Next question, Duke. How many windows has the house got?
It's 4 windows.
All right, there are 4 windows in the house. Okay, how about you, Duke? How many windows do you have in your house?
No. No.
How many?
Okay. 7.
7. Wow. You got lots of...
8.
8. 8.
Yeah, 9.
9.
Yeah.
Are you sure that's that your final answer, 9?
10.
10? Is that your final answer now? Or I think it's 11, not 10. I think it's 11.
What is the horse? Is have got
Now do. What color is the door?
red.
Okay, how about your door, Duke? What's the color of your door?
Red.
Gray?
Red.
No, in your house, it's red too?
No.
What color is your door in the house?
Blue.
Blue?
Brown.
Brown?
White.
Blue, brown, and white. Right? Is teacher right?
Yes.
Okay. So now, what are the boys doing, Duke?
The boys play football.
Yes, they're playing football. Okay, now, Duke, what is on the first picture? What's on the picture, Duke? First picture, what animal is that?
What it is? What's your favorite animal?
Okay.
What's it? How many phones have you got in your house? Did you like chicken? What did you eat for supper?
Read. Answer first the first question, Duke. What is the animal on the first picture?
Yes.
What? Yes. What is the animal in the first picture?
It's horse.
Okay, that is a horse. How about you, Duke? What's your favorite animal?
It's horse.
What is your favorite animal?
It's horse.
A horse also?
Bird, cat, dog. Dog.
Dog. Okay, so what else? Aside from dog, you like also birds, right?
Parrot.
Parrot. Wow. Do you have a parrot in your house?
No, angle.
What kind of bird do you have in your house?
Yes.
You have a bird in your house?
Yes.
How many?
One.
And how many dogs do you have?
One.
One only. Okay, so next picture, Duke. What is on the second picture?
I have one rooster.
One rooster also you have in your house?
Yes.
Okay. So picture number 2, Duke. What do you call that one?
What is this? How many phones has you got in your house?
So what is that on the second picture?
Do you like chicken? What do you eat for soup?
Answer, Duke. Number 2. What is on the picture?
2 of 3 phones.
What's that? You tell me first. What is that?
Phones.
Okay, phone. Very good. So you got 3 telephone in your house, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So question number 3, Duke. Do you like eating chicken?
Yes.
What do you eat for supper tonight?
This is meat.
Meat. Did you eat also rice? Huh? Did you eat also rice?
Cheese.
Okay. All right, so we're finished with the second part, Duke. Okay, I will open one more.
Yes.
Wait for me. Let's open one more. Okay, now the kimchi. You ate kimchi for dinner. Okay, now Doc, this is our third activity for tonight. Unit 2, MySpace. Okay, now Doc, let's have the first activity, My Classroom. Okay, warm up. Choose and write the sentences. Complete the story. Okay, now Doc.
My classroom race.
Choose a sentence there. My classroom is great.
Our best on it's strange and bright.
Okay, it is large and bright, correct? Next.
Our bus under the chair. She is in the hallways.
Okay, so your answer is correct. My classroom is great. It is large and bright. The blackboard is on the wall. Our pictures are on the wall too. Our books are on the desk. Our bags are under the chairs. Our teacher is not in the classroom. She is in the hallway. Okay, very good. You got 3 points here. Okay, now Duke, write yes or no. Is the blackboard on the wall, Duke? Look at the picture.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Next one. Is the teacher inside the classroom?
Yes.
No. She is in the hallway, right? You answered it. She is in the hallway. Okay, next one, Duke. Let's have this one. Word practice. Choose and complete the sentence. So now, Duke, you're going to choose your answers from the words wall, desk, chairs, and hallway. Very good. Okay, question number 1, Duke. The cap is on the...
The cat on the chair.
Okay, very good. Number 2. The boys are in the
Hallway.
hallway. The pen is under the...
Table.
The blackboard is on the...
Wall.
Wall. All right, very good. Okay, next one, Duke. Let's have this. It says here, word practice vocabulary. Okay, Duke, can you read the words that you see on the screen?
Rich. Small. Bright. Great.
Okay, large. So what do you mean by large, Duke?
It's big.
Yes, it's big. Very good. What do you mean by great? What is great? Great. What do you mean by great? What do you mean by great? You know the answer?
No.
The answer is good. Great means good or very good. Okay, next one, Duke. What do you mean by small?
Bright.
Small. What is small? Give me an example of a small object.
Small.
Give me an example of a small object.
Okay.
Give me example. Example is an ant. What else is small?
Little.
Okay, very good. Small means little. Next one, bright. What do you mean by bright, Duke?
I don't know.
Okay, bright means It's vibrant. Okay. All right, next one. Okay, it says here, look and write the words. So you're going to choose the words great, bright, small, large, teacher, and students. Okay, number 1, Duke. He is our
Teacher.
teacher. Number 2, the sun is
Great. No.
what?
The sun is small. No. Sun is great.
The sun is bright, not great. The sun is bright. Okay, number 3, the ants are
small.
ants are small. Next one. Elephants are
Strange.
large. Very good. Our teacher is
Great.
great. They are
Student.
students. Very good. Okay, so you got one mistake here. Okay, so you got 5 points. Okay, next one, Duke. Grammar practice. Write on or in. Okay? So number 1, Duke, read and answer on or in. Number 1, the light is blank the ceiling.
Light on. It in.
On. Okay, number 2, the pictures are
In.
on the wall. Number 3, the desks are
In.
in the room. Very good.
The rug is in.
The rug is on the floor. Very good. Okay, you got 3 points in this part, Duke. Next one. Okay, now Duke, grammar practice. Circle the correct word. Okay, so number 1 is an example. This is our classroom. So how about number 2, Duke? Can you read number 2 and then choose your answer? A book or books?
Books.
Okay, wait. Okay, correct. Books are on the desk. Number 3, my desk or my desks?
My desk.
Okay, very good. Number 3 and number 4. That is I or my house?
My house.
My house. Number 5. A shoe or shoes in the box?
A shoe.
A shoe. Very good. Number 6. My pens is or are in the drawer?
Is.
My pens is or are in the drawer?
Are.
Are. Okay, and last one. They or it are my friends?
They.
They. Very good. You got 6 points. Okay, next one, Duke. Let's have the next activity. Okay, here. Write the words in the order. Okay, number 1. What do you think is the correct sentence there?
The girls are in the hallway.
Very good. The girls are in the hallway. Number 2.
Name is on the door.
Okay, the name is on the door. Now, next one, number 3.
The clock is on the wall.
Very good. The clock is on the wall. Okay, now let's have this one. Look and write the sentences using the correct be verb. Okay, so example, Doc, number 1. Number 1 is an example. My classroom is wonderful. So number 2, Doc, use the word. Where's number 2? I can't see it. Okay, number 2.
On the ceiling.
Okay, here. Example, it is big and nice. Okay, because here, this is the word that you're going to use. Okay, this is the word that you're going to use. Okay, number 3. Now, talk about the wall. Make a sentence using this one.
Who's gay on the wall?
Number 3. Number 3.
The wall, on the wall.
Oh, the blackboard is on the wall. Okay, number 4, do. Use the word here. The light
is on the ceiling.
Okay, the light is on the ceiling. Very good. Number 5.
The rug on the floor.
The rug
On the floor.
is on the floor. Okay, last one, number 6.
The books is in the bookcase.
Again, the box.
In the bookcase.
Oh, what will you use? Is or are? The books is or are?
Are.
Are. Very good. Okay, good job, Duke. You got 3 points in this part. All right. So, okay, now, Duke, we don't have enough time because it's already 45 minutes. Okay, anyway, Duke, let's continue our class again on Friday. Okay? Okay, you can take a rest, Duke, so that you can feel better, okay? I know you are not in a good condition. That's why you're not answering unlike before. Oh, are you not feeling well?
Yeah.
Yes, I know it because the Duke now is very different. I know you are sick. Okay, anyway, Duke, get well soon. Okay, so on Friday, I hope you feel better. So, good night now, Duke.
Yeah.
Good night. Chugmungon, good night.
Night. Night. Good night.
Good night.
Night.
Good night. Chugmungon.
Bye bye.